In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom designed t-shirts using Printify. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, making it easy for anyone to follow along, whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your memory. First, let's start by heading over to Printify's website and logging into your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub for accessing all of Printify's powerful tools. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. Here you will see an option labeled Catalog. Go ahead and click on it. Within the catalog, you'll be presented with a variety of product categories. For our project, we'll be focusing on t-shirts, so locate and click on the t-shirts section. You'll see an array of t-shirt options designed to suit different styles and preferences. Choose the type of t-shirt you'd like to create. This could be anything from a basic tee to a more premium style. Once you've selected your t-shirt type, it's time to dive into the creative side of things. Click on Start Designing. This will open up the design editor where you can unleash your creativity. If you already have designs ready to go, you can easily upload them by navigating to the left side menu and clicking My Library. This is where your saved designs are stored, ready for your next project. Choose your desired design and click on it to add it to your t-shirt. Position your design carefully and adjust its size to ensure it fits perfectly. An important tip is to always preview your adjustments to avoid any unwanted surprises. If you'd like to add text to your t-shirt, head to the left menu panel again and select Add Text. Here you can choose from a wide selection of fonts or utilize pre-made typography options to enhance your design. Type in the text you want, adjust its size, and reposition it to achieve the perfect look. As you continue designing, you'll notice a variety of tools available on both the left and the right sides of the editor. These tools can further enhance your design, so feel free to explore them. Once your design is finalized, the next step is to select variations. On the right side menu, you'll find options for variations. Here you can choose different color variants and select all the colors you desire for your t-shirt. Remember to consider color contrast and how your design will look across different shades. Finally, wrap up your design process by clicking Save Product. This ensures all your creative efforts are securely saved and ready for production. And there you have it. A custom designed t-shirt created using Printify, ready to be shared with the world or added to your online store. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Now it's your turn to explore, design, and bring your unique ideas to life right on your own t-shirts. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!